dogs actually relax, calm down, and not running around.
Well, this is what you call a pack.
Yep.
Only a pack will do this.
Who's up at the top of the pack?
Rambo.
Well, that's Buckley and Rambo.
Buckley.
Oh, that makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, they're the front runners. But of course, Forrest will be the back runner behind them, barking out the whole time. And then the actual freaking leader, like Sophia, she'll just stay back.
Milo.
I think that involves
He's
Okay.
behind the pack. Elderly. Last. There's the marker.
Forrest!
You wanna go? You wanna go? You gotta get too hot. It's too hot.
Rambo.
A week now.
Okay, okay.
At least he doesn't do it at the house.
Hi, Forrest.
No, he knows.